traders. This is Mike with Rip or Die Trading. Day trading live this morning. Not a whole lot I see going on right now. I'm going to sit back and watch for the first probably 5 minutes. See what's going on. We got a minute left to the bell. So the next 6 minutes will probably be pretty boring. But I'm trying to get in tune with a new strategy. That it's not a new strategy, but it's new to me. 5 minute opening range breakout, and so that requires you to wait 5 minutes before getting in, at least. So I'm trying to take that little strategy a little further and only trade ones that show potential for sustained movement in a direction. And so I'm trying to trade ones that are gapping up and down that break. Really, I'm leaning towards the short ones that break down, but I might trade ones that break out as well. But that being said, I don't have but one stock on my gap list right now, and we're not going to trade Bob, but we might trade this one, so we'll put it on here. This is the only one I see that's gapped so far, unless my Skinner software's acting up today. That's all I got. Well, I think a lot of things did gap, but they've all worked themselves back to, like right here, Macy's gapped up, but then it came right back to where it came from. So oops, I dropped my phone. Alright, let's see what is going to happen today. This is so hard for me to wait 5 minutes. You know, if you've been watching for a while, you know that I had to make myself wait 2 minutes to get in, and that was even hard to do. So now I gotta wait 5. Tough for me. But I back tested it over the last 64 days, and the results were amazing. So, see, look at this. This sunbase just dropped $1, and I'm not allowed to get in yet. And that's just scary too. I know it works, but it just seems, well, shit, it's already down $1. Why get in if it comes back down here? But and so in this back testing software, I wasn't able to actually pick a exit strategy other than to get out 5 minutes after the trade, and it was like a 73% winner. And I did it based on the account size I have with TEFs and with TradeNet, and all I did was 500 shares, and it was showing almost like a $60,000 return in 64 days. Now, that's misleading also because Some of those days they were firing in so quick. There's no way you could have gotten into every one of them. And because some would come in like 8:35, in 10 seconds. The next one would come in 8:35 in 12 seconds. There's no way you could have possibly jumped into every one of them. All right, we're approaching that 5th minute here. SPY doesn't know what the hell it wants to do yet. Looks like SPY is going to try to go higher today. Alright, so A is broke above the 5 minute. But I don't think I'm going to play anything long today. At the moment, I'm not. I want to see what Macy's looks like on the daily. TTM, what's that doing? Macy's could go to 21 if it breaks through. Well, it's a good thing I didn't listen to my breakthrough, huh? That'd have been a good one for a little bit. 68.43 up to been a quick dollar. Alright. So Macy's here bounced off 22. And, the dumbass in me really wanted to get short right there. It's at a lot of resistance here, and, it went right through though. Good thing I didn't. TVIX just broke through their bottom layer. I got smoked on that yesterday. I'm not doing that again. Uh-oh, we're getting some action now. PZQ. Not enough volume for me. That one's ripping JKS. I should do this over here because I'm not going to trade this one, so. Yeah, no, not working with that either. I'm watching MU and M, and I'm trying to decide which one's gonna do something first. MU's down a bunch. I just got an alert on my TD account. Wow, both these are trying to do it at the same exact time here. I'm watching both of these for the break of the red here and the green here. I think MU is going to do it first, but SPY's up there trying to break through. There we go. Now we can switch to M, see if it's going to break through. Well, that didn't work out too good, did it? So far. Just about every one I've not taken here. Didn't take this one, it worked out. Didn't take SPY, it worked out to an extent. We're about to be taken out of MU any second now. It doesn't bounce up. 316. Let's see. I have a feeling because I'm not watching my old friend AMD, I could have done something. Let's see. No, it's in Shop City too. Yeah, come on. Hold it. Ah, that's what it's gonna do. Now I'm out. Nope, almost out. There you go, baby. Look at that. That's hilarious. That was a cent or two away from being taken out. This thing barely broke out. 2 cents, and we need a strong breakout here. Let's go. There it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is minute 4. Minute 4 on both of them. Going by my strategy, by backtesting strategy, it would have us getting out on the next minute. I'm going to think about that, but I don't know. If it breaks through this line, I'm going to put in a trailing stop on this thing. Let's see, take this off. Come on, MU. Let's go Micron. Alright, MU, what you doing? Are you gonna go? Should I try to get you out up here because it's been past the 5 minutes? Let's go spy rip so you can take MU with you. She tried to interrupt me again. Alright, let's go. On both of these ones, let's go. Breakthrough down there at Macy's, MU break up. No, Macy's should be taking me out any second. It's out, okay. I need, oh, Spy is freaking ripping. Why isn't MU going with it? I mean, it's freaking ripping. We need another giant green guy like that. Right here. Big old buy. about to get out of this for a loss if it doesn't go. I mean, technically, we have down to 87-ish here for this trend. In mine, I'm at 88, so let's change this to 86 just to. What's another couple of cents, right? So we don't get taken out right on the green line. Alright, so we don't have to watch that anymore for a while. Let's look at what has popped in PSTL. Well, looks like we got out of this too early. It finally got through, but I mean, just a couple cents, not a big deal. It was taking too long. This would have taken us out if we haven't changed it. Now it's going to take us out anyways. There we go. We're even on the day. This would have been a decent one here. Today is the day of the ones I'm not watching. Wow, there it goes now. So that sucks. I was in an MU at 38. No, not MU. No, 21.92. So yeah. Looks like I got out somewhere in here right before the rip down. And sure as shit, I bet you this wants to rip now that I'm out. Remove drawing. Let's see, 8 p.m. That's funny. Well, then you just shit, so I'm glad I got out of that. Actually, we might be looking at getting this thing short. I'd actually like to see this thing bounce back up a little bit before it broke below. Well, look at that. Talk about ranging. What is this piece of shit doing here? Just curious. Yeah, figures. Not a whole lot though. Not much. Macy's was a good one. MU doesn't know what the fuck it wants to do. Should have played Spy again today. That'd have been a decent one. Look at this piece of shit trying to... Not seeing anything fun anywhere. Man, oh man, this has been a good one. I've been watching. Gotten in here before. Yeah. Too late. And this one's rallying back. Spotlight looks like it's building a bull flag here. Perfect little trend too. Everything's slightly trending, but nothing's moving quick. And what's great, we've got stuff going down, stuff going up, nothing. I can't find anything going nuts. People are scared. Yeah, this thing's what I'm trying to use to catch things that might be moving, and you see how much is come through in the first 30 minutes. Let's see. Let's just show you last week. And let's just go from same thing. Let's do 834. I've got it backwards. 834 to 9. So 30 minutes. What the hell am I doing wrong? Now 59. Oh, I want that to be no 8. There we go. I can't. So you can see how many we had before. This is what happened. This is last Thursday in the first 30 minutes. All kinds of stuff. And let's go back to real time. We've got Just nothing happening right now. Oh, there we go. Finally, you little bitch. Look at this thing. Took me out right here. Came down, rocketed up, and now it's going. So it had that trend going. Dropped right below it just to take a couple. Wow. And, you know, this is a pivot point, so it's, if I was trading with size and in at this moment, I would have taken at least half of it right there, because the chances of it bouncing or reversing there are pretty decent. I've got a lot of upper wicks on these. Really getting pushed down right here at 82.50. No, it's not good. Just barely. I need. This area is kind of. If it loses that, we could be going down for a bit. Let's see if I can get some SPY puts on the cheap right now. Let's see that. All right, what was my TD? P call is triggered. So you're gonna have to excuse me for 1 second. Because I have to switch over and see something on my options screen. Let's see, put call, average, all right. I'm gonna put this here so you can see it. I have this little chart here. Yeah, that's it. Maybe. Nope, it's not showing it. Yeah, it is right here. So when this moving average here gets above 1, historically it's been a good spot to buy calls on SPY. So I had an alert set up for when it did so. All right, let's go back. Oh, stupid motherfucker. When I switch back and forth, sometimes it messes up a bit. God damn it, do what I say. There we go. All right, so Still not a lot going on for me. MU did get rejected so far by that. SPY still holding that line under the trend for the moment, though. Trend line's kind of holding it down. Yeah, on the 5 minute. SPY has some ugly wicks at the top. It's keeps getting shot down. It wouldn't surprise me to see this thing reverse here soon. Head lower. There goes MU. Yeah, I really wanted to jump in here when it hit this red line, but well, I didn't. Oh, SPY broke through that line. Let's see if it's going to be death for it. It's got to hold 282. Uh-oh. Well, guys, I'm not going to hang around here. Nothing's going on. It's a battle. Everything's super slow. I don't want to be in a trade more than 5 or 10 minutes. And this looks like, finding the right trend and hanging out all day. So I got other stuff to do. So we will reconvene tomorrow morning, and we'll see you then.